Imagine walking into a pizza factory, where the production line seems to stretch farther than you can see. Instead of making just a few pizzas at a time, this fictional mega factory is designed around one simple idea. Take basic ingredients and turn them into enormous, carefully prepared pizzas through a continuous industrial process. And today, we're going to follow that journey from the very beginning. Our story starts with the ingredients. Before there is any pizza on the conveyor, the factory needs flour, water, yeast, salt, oil, tomato sauce, cheese, and a variety of toppings. Everything begins with preparation. Large quantities of flour are brought into the facility and transferred into industrial mixing systems. The flour isn't used alone, of course. Water and the other dough ingredients are added in carefully controlled amounts. Inside the mixer, powerful rotating arms begin combining everything. At first, it looks nothing like pizza dough. You simply have a mixture of flour and liquid moving around inside a huge stainless steel machine. But slowly, the ingredients begin coming together. The mixture becomes thicker. Then it starts forming into dough. And this is the moment where the basic ingredients finally start becoming the foundation of the pizza. Once the dough reaches the desired consistency, it is transferred out of the mixer. But it isn't immediately covered with toppings. The dough needs time to develop its texture. So the factory moves the dough into a controlled resting or fermentation stage, depending on the recipe being used. During this period, the dough can change significantly. It becomes softer, more flexible, and easier to work with. And now comes one of the most impressive parts when we're dealing with an extremely large pizza. The dough has to be shaped. A normal pizza can be handled relatively easily by a person. But when the pizza becomes enormous, manual handling becomes much more difficult. That's why our fictional mega factory uses large mechanical systems to move and shape the dough. The dough is placed onto a wide production conveyor. Rollers and shaping equipment gradually flatten it into a large circular base. The goal is not to create a perfect thin sheet. The dough needs enough thickness and structure to support everything that will eventually go on top of it. As the giant round base moves forward, workers and automated equipment can visually check its shape. The pizza is now starting to look like an actual pizza, but it's still completely raw. And there's a lot more to add. The next stage is the sauce. A large sauce distribution system moves above the dough, while a controlled amount of tomato sauce is spread across the surface. The sauce begins near the center and is distributed outward. For a pizza this large, consistency becomes especially important. You don't want one side covered in sauce, while another side has almost none. So the system is designed to create an even layer while leaving an outer edge around the pizza. That edge will become the crust. And now the pizza finally starts looking familiar. Next comes cheese. Lots of it. Cheese is transferred from preparation containers toward the topping line, where it is distributed across the sauced surface. But there's an important difference between simply throwing cheese onto a pizza and building a consistent production line.
Here at the Mega Factory, precision engineering ensures an even distribution of fresh cheese across every colossal pizza. Monitored.
The goal here is simple. Keep the cheese evenly distributed across the entire pizza.
Once the sauce is applied, the massive pizza moves under the cheese station, where an even layer of fresh mozzarella is meticulously distributed.
The paneer consistency looks good on section 4. Yes, calibrating the olive dispenser now.
Each topping is handled separately, so the amount and distribution can be controlled as the pizza moves through the line.
The journey begins as the massive pizza approaches the topping station, where precision dispensers are ready to add fresh vegetables and paneer. Utilizing advanced precision dispensers, the machine applies a uniform layer of vibrant green peppers, leaving the crust untouched.
This colossal pizza moves steadily down the line. The automated system ensures a precise distribution of green bell.
Essential. The scale of the operation is immense. As the raw pizza moves beneath the dispenser, fresh black olives join. Once the paneer is evenly distributed, the massive pizza, still completely uncooked, is ready for the next phase of production.
This colossal pizza, weighing nearly a ton, begins its journey into the searing heart of the industrial oven.
As the pizza moves deeper into the 500-degree chamber, the crust begins to crisp and the cheese achieves that perfect golden brown.
Absolutely flawless. That is a thing of beauty.